Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got these stickers and I use them for my scrapbooking and they make my pages really pop and stand out. What I really like about these is that each girl has a different emotion, whether it be happy, sad, so I can really convey on my scrapbook page what I'm trying to convey. And I really appreciate that some of them don't have faces. That really gives an abstract look to it, and I love abstract. Also, this is a page from my scrapbook. You can see the contrast of paper, which I really love too. The black and white really makes a great effect. Once you take off the sticker, it is super easy to apply and it stays right in place nicely. So if you're a scrapbooker, whether you're new to it or if you're a pro, I would highly recommend these stickers. And that's my point of view.